Hello, I'm Doug Whitehead, and I'd like to demonstrate for you the protection of linked data using WebID. This is the first phase of an initiative to add entitlements to linked data itself. The tech I will be using today is the Big Data RDF store. Writing on top of that is a Sparkle client called SparkleED. A linked data API called ELDA. All of this is deployed into Tomcat and protected by WebID Realm for authentication using WebID. Initially, I'll be coming in as an unknown user, and after viewing what's protected and what is not, I'll switch identities to the Joe King WebID, which will be known to the system and allow me to see the SparkleED client, but nothing else. And then my third identity will be my own WebID, which has secret and admin privileges. So I can view hospitals as a person walking up on the street, no knowledge to the site at all of who I am. It's HTTP, it's unprotected. If I click on the SparkleED client, it automatically rolls me over to HTTPS, and there is no certificate in here, so it fails. Same if I visit something that requires a secret or administrative privileges. Okay, so let's now switch identities to Joe King. Preferences, view certificates, import. Okay. Okay, so now I have the Joe King certificate, and I can visit the unprotected side, of course. I can visit this. If I try to visit the SparkleED client, it asks if I want to log in using the WebID for Joe King. That should be the last time it asks me that. And it allows me to get to the client here. Okay. That's SparkleED. And if I try to go to the links that require secret clearance, no. And admin privileges. Joe King cannot be an administrator. Okay, so now I want to switch to super user. Certificates. First we blow away Joe King. And then we import my own identity. Okay, I'm going to restart Firefox just to make sure nothing's cached. These things happen. Sometimes switching identity is not a frequent thing. Okay, so I can go to unprotected resources. I'm known to the system. And yeah, I want to log in as Doug Whitehead. Okay, and so thus I can get to SparkleED client. This requires secret, which I can see. And now, last but not least, get to the Big Data admin console. So basically what I've shown you is access control to ELDA, SparkleED, and Big Data. This is a binary gate in that one can either see the resource or not. Possible extension is to forward the entitlements on into the Sparkle query itself, or to deploy this as an identity provider for a SAML enterprise. Thank you for your attention.